we have a very special initiative that has been happening with the Nina Foundation, the Hope Kit. That is to be launched this evening, and we've all been waiting for this to happen. The Hope Kit is a dream package. It is close at hand for everybody, for our friends with spinal injury. And this Hope Kit includes a quick dry, a urine bag, a catheter, jelly, Dettol soap, paper soap, mirror, coconut oil, gauze, cotton roll, and a frequently asked questions booklet in Marathi. So, उसमें शिवाजी साटम सर से सिग्नेचर भी ले लेंगे हम लोग. सब बराबर है ना, कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है ना करके चेक कर लेंगे वो भी. And this will be given to all our new OPD patients as well, and needy patients. So those who wish to uplift those who need it, and those who would like to contribute and be a part of this, all you need to do is shell out just 500 rupees, and this goes to one patient. So can I have Dr. Armida Fernandez to do the honors here, please? And if we can, you know, there's this, we don't need to cut the ribbon, but you just open it and show us a peek into what is there in the Hope Kit. Yeah. And that bag is really overflowing with all sorts of things in there. That's the quick dry.
This is the gel, gauze, and the coconut oil. And the catheter and all are inside. And the catheter is this side. I think it's a wonderful idea, and I would like to contribute to some of them as well, and I'm sure many people here would love to do that as well. So congratulations. I like the name also, Hope.
Okay.
Wonderful, huh?
And that's what I think we need to keep the hope alive and keep walking. Yeah, come on.
Keep walking, keep working.
Keep working, yeah. I think the keep working applies to me. Only then Nina's going to, Ketna Ben is going to give me that. So the Nina Foundation is very strongly committed to a lot of things, you know. And the Hope Kit is one of those that you saw now. And we recognize friends with spinal injuries. We appreciate, salute these heroes in day-to-day life. We are very proud of our role models, right? And these heroes, these role models are there in every walk of life. They are here, sitting here amongst us. Their dreams, which is based in reality, is something else. And every year, they've been raising the bar of achievement for us. Something higher, something bigger happens. Not only for themselves, but for us as well. Our awardees